Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore one of the most important aspects of personal growth: stepping out of your comfort zone. We'll discuss why it's essential, the benefits it brings, and most importantly, how you can do it effectively. *** 1. Understanding the comfort zone. **. Before we dive into the strategies, let's understand what the comfort zone is. It's a psychological state where activities and routines feel familiar and safe, but they can also inhibit growth and development. While being in your comfort zone feels secure, it also limits your potential and prevents you from experiencing new opportunities and challenges. ** 2. Why getting out of your comfort zone is important. ** Stepping out of your comfort zone is crucial for personal growth and development. It allows you to discover new skills, build resilience, and increase your confidence. Research shows that individuals who regularly challenge themselves are more likely to adapt to change, overcome obstacles, and achieve their goals. ** 3. Strategies for getting out of your comfort zone. ** A. Start small. ** Begin by taking small steps outside your comfort zone. It could be as simple as trying a new hobby, taking a different route to work, or striking up a conversation with a stranger. *B. Set clear goals. *. Define clear goals that align with your aspirations. Whether it's learning a new skill or overcoming a fear, setting specific objectives will keep you focused and motivated. *C. Embrace discomfort. *. Understand that discomfort is a natural part of growth. Instead of avoiding it, embrace it as an opportunity for learning and development. *D. Challenge negative thoughts. Challenge negative thoughts and beliefs that hold you back. Replace them with positive affirmations and remind yourself of your capabilities. *E. Seek support. Surround yourself with supportive friends, family, or mentors who can encourage and motivate you during challenging times. ** 4. Overcoming challenges. Understand that stepping out of your comfort zone isn't always easy. You may encounter setbacks, failures, or fears along the way. However, it's essential to persevere and learn from these experiences. ** 5. Celebrate your successes. Finally, celebrate your successes no matter how small they may seem. Recognize and reward yourself for stepping outside your comfort zone and embracing growth. Conclusion. Stepping out of your comfort zone is the key to unlocking your full potential and living a fulfilling life. By following these strategies and embracing discomfort, you'll not only grow as an individual but also open yourself up to endless possibilities. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on personal development and growth. Until next time, keep challenging yourself and stepping out of your comfort zone.